It's 10 o'clock at night. The half moon peeking up behind there. I have officially, it took me a lot longer than I thought, but I have officially made it to the refuge area. It's closed October 1st through January 15th, so I've only got a couple of months to get back out of here, right? There's just something about that black and white tree. We got the famous pink mist of the Midwest morning dew. Good morning. Not a cloud in the sky, but that sun's about to be really gnarly red from all the smoke in the air. Not much of a sunset. Nice high pressure system, calm winds, calm water. And after the last couple days of wind and distance and discomfort, it is a beautiful evening. This must be the world's smallest creek. I just discovered it, don't know nothing about it. I'm in a part of the lake I've never been before. The heck? Looks like that goes on back on up into the hills there. Cool. But I'm heading out to open water. I got bigger and better plans. Are you yelling at me? I'm about to show you what millions of mosquitoes look like in 3, 2, 1. That's mosquitoes. If you turn that light on, they all come at you. So, good night. What's up, buddy? Hi. You're pretty cute. You're pretty cute. Are you having a good time up there? Your mama teaching you all about being a raccoon? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, you gonna come down and say hi? Uh-oh. Are you guys leaving?